Hi, and welcome to AMS Vans. Today I'd like to highlight a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with a newly manufactured side entry wheelchair accessible conversion. This is our Legend 2 conversion featuring a power bifold ramp and a power kneeling system. The wheelchair passenger can ride in the mid-cabin area, or you can detach and roll out the front passenger seat to make room to ride next to the driver. The van's got a rich red exterior with black and tan interior, a backup camera, Bluetooth, leather seats, remote start, and comes with the AMS Vans 3-year, 36,000 miles conversion warranty. Travel with the peace of mind knowing that this vehicle has undergone a rigorous 134-point service and safety inspection. If you have any more questions about this van or any others in our inventory, feel free to give us a call at the number right up there. And remember to make it a great day.